Hi, I am very excited to be a part of MAD Limited. This is a concept that evolved from the HCL's philosophy of employee first, customer second, where we believe the value ultimately gets generated at the interface between the customer and the employee. And the entire management structure and support structures are there to enable the employee to create maximum value. Taking this concept beyond HCL, the idea was to look out for ideas across different young people, the Gen Y, across different parts of the country. And we had a whole host of ideas coming up. And what is exciting is the quality of ideas we have seen in this. And more importantly, the idea is not just to get an idea, but how do you take it to fruition? The entire concept of MAD is to select one idea and provide the infrastructure and the support systems to take this idea to completion, allow the idea generator to lead this. He not only gets the idea, but he also has the support to complete or take the idea to completion using the infrastructure as part of the MAD Limited. I'm sure this will be a great success, and we'll follow it up every year on year. And I'm really looking forward to see how we are able to create higher value across using this concept of MAD. Hi. I'm really excited to be seeing MAD Jam take off so well in HCL. I think this again evolved from our philosophy of employee first, customer second, where the ultimate value is being created by the employees in their interface with customers. So MAD Jam was an opportunity for different people across HCL to come up with their ideas and sort of have a competition to see which idea is rated best. I was really excited to see a number of ideas have come up, and some of them which you've been seeing on the intranet as they get polled are really outstanding. And I do hope that we will be able to take this forward in the same way every year. And I'm looking forward to see which idea is selected this year, and more importantly, to set this momentum for idea generation, which is core to our whole HCL belief in value centricity and the belief in creating value through our employees.